Okay, so let's consider more problems, say, on double inequalities or combining inequalities and their graphical representations. Here on the board we have x is less than minus 2 and greater than 6. X is less than minus 2 and greater than 6. They are both exclusive. X is greater than 6 is exclusive. X is less than minus 2 is exclusive. The second problem here is x is greater than or equal to 6, less than or equal to minus 2. X is greater than or equal to 6, less than or equal to minus 2. They are inclusive in the both cases. X is greater than or equal to 6 is inclusive. X is less than or equal to minus 2 is also inclusive. X is less than or equal to 3, less than or equal to minus 3. X is less than or equal to 3, less than or equal to minus 3. They are also both inclusive. X is less than or equal to 3 is inclusive. X is less than or equal to minus 3 is also inclusive, meaning 3 will be a member of X and minus 3 is also a member of X. 6 is a member of X and minus 2 is also a member of X. 6 is not a member of X and minus 2 is not a member of X. How do we represent this graphically? Let's take number 1, number 2, and number 3. For number 1, we are going to use only one graph now. I've shown us how to use the 2 graphs, but I'll be using just one graph in these 3 problems given to us. We have that x and 6. Draw a line. Indicate your origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have minus 1 and minus 2. Put your circle on shaded. On minus 2, put your circle on shaded on 6. X is greater than 6. The arrow goes this way, greater. X is less than minus 2. The arrow comes this way, less than. So this is the graph of x is less than minus 2 and greater than 6. Number 2, we have x greater than or equal to 6, less than or equal to minus 2. Draw your line. Indicate your origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Minus 1, minus 2. Put your circle shaded because it is inclusive. Put your circle shaded because it is inclusive. Greater than or equal to 6. Greater is going this way. Less than or equal to minus 2. Less than is going this way. So here is the graph for the second problem. Number 3, which is the last problem given to us to solve, we have x less than or equal to 3, less than or equal to minus 3. X less than or equal to 3, less than or equal to minus 3. They are both inclusive. Draw your line. Put your origin. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Your circle shaded on minus 3. Your circle shaded on 3. Less than is coming this way. So my arrow goes this way. X less than or equal to minus 3. The arrow also goes this way. So I will extend my arrow to join this. So here is a graph for x is less than or equal to 3 and less than or equal to minus 3. So we have the different graphical representations of the problems given to us to solve. So you need to replay the class or replay the first teaching on the double inequalities to help you have a better understanding. But I wish you well in your mathematical studies. So see you in our next other class.